Cat's helped Repsol with a lot of our success because of proximity of parts, and we have techs available to help us out in any problems we have. They're a day away or less.
With our 8 locations dedicated to oil and gas, it's allowed us to service all of the customers in each of the areas across our territory.
So Cleveland Brothers is beneficial in having in the area. They have local shops and service. Their technicians are local to the area. They could have a quick turnaround time. So typically we could have a technician on site with less than an hour.
Cleveland Brothers and myself have built a deep relationship with Repsol, following their engines and working with them directly to be able to understand their business model, the way they operate the engines, the way they maintain the engines. We've managed to set up an account with them to supply a technician that works for them essentially 24/7, so to speak.
Cat's on-site technicians for us anytime that they're on site. I mean, they're there to do repairs, do maintenance if we're having troubleshooting. They do a really nice job because they can come in, they have knowledge and experience.
And they have other customers, so if it's not an issue that we've seen, maybe another customer of theirs have seen issues, that they can relay that information to us.
There's a lot of knowledge there and a lot of shared information. Are able to help us troubleshoot stuff, and if they're not right there, I mean, sometimes they can ask us on the phone, communications, emails. They're willing to talk to us to check things out so they have an idea of what's going on before they even get here.
It's beneficial to have our engine rebuild center so close to us. We get quick turnaround time on the engines getting rebuilt. We can go down there and visit and inspect all the engine parts, see how we're getting lifespan out of the engine. We have good communication with them down there about what needs to be done.
We've been able to actually extend out our overhaul time because of that. So I want to say probably we've added 10,000 hours to our overhaul time because of those inspections, right, and that analysis.
Caterpillar's gone up above and beyond. With these overhauls, we've had an audit process where we have someone come out and inspect the engines after they've been running. They'll take an oil sample, check for any metals or anything abnormal we find in the engines, look over the quality of work that they're doing so we get that reliability so the next engine that comes out is done right.
Cat engines are the preferred brand for Repsol based on the total cost of ownership, the parts and service availability, and the area support for maintenance and operations.
We put the dedicated resources in place with service operations, service managers, and field technicians out of all of those locations so that we could support our customers 24/7.